Wagwan people, you don't know it's your girl Toya.
And Ian our puppy.
Honey for me, puppy for you.
Alright, I'll just work with the puppy, you see me I say. So everybody had said to us, say, yo, they want to see we do some prank, you know what I mean? I wouldn't really up on the prank thing, you know what I mean? But we see where we can prank some of our friends, them, family members and things like that. You know what I mean? For just spice up the thing. So when I'm bridging them, I say, yo, them drop a prank video where the woman coming to the house caught her husband on the phone. Him quickly come off of the phone, and when she ask him, you know, what kind of funny move that who you been talking to, him call one of them friend them name. So she, you know, I pretend say, oh, she gonna call a friend there behind the husband back and see if him gonna pick up for the husband, you know what I mean? For see if
we want to see his reaction to his boys because, you know, we want to see if them rate me or them rate him.
But what about rate she and my boy?
Because the man them rate me still.
Yeah, but
your friend never rate me on a level.
But them have to rate me on a higher level. You know what I mean?
Well, I guess we're gonna see who them rate today, don't?
Straight. So yeah, that way I deal with. So I call some of my friend them, pretend somebody there on the phone, and I tell them say, oh, I them she did me did that talk to. So you want to see if them really are gonna say yes.
Them will pick up fear.
Or them are gonna say, boy, I don't know about that, you know. So let's see let's see what I go on.
Alright, so the first one mega call is Chris. And let's see Chris' reaction. I don't know if he's gonna answer because he could be at work or driving, but we'll see. And I don't generally call him either.
Hey, Lottie, what's up?
Wagwan, you good?
Hello?
Wagwan, bro.
Oh, yeah, dealing. Yeah, man. Was it there? Everything. You alright?
You can talk?
Yeah, man.
Alright, you know from me call you know say that's something important me I call you about, right? Alright, so
yeah, man, no problem.
I don't even know how to say this to you, because I never like them something here. But anyways, so you know me did Jamaica, I just come back up just like a day now or whatever. But it's like from a come is like I don't know, only just a move a little shady, I guess. I don't know. I don't know if I just me or what, but I don't know. Something just not seem right. You understand? So I go up on the road, I carry the pin of them, go drop them off at the soccer field and whatever. But I don't know, for some reason I decide so I now open the garage, I come through the front door. So I come through the front door. Obviously he was on the phone talking. And as I come through, so him come off of the phone. Which him not usually do because, you know, you know, nothing to hide and whatever, so why would you come off of the phone? So that kind of strike a nerve right there. You understand what I say? Because you don't know me, I'm no fool and whatever. I mean, no, say your boy and everything, Chris. But would I really appreciate it if you be honest with me, because I mean, when Mr. Tim say, honey,
I am always like that. Honest to God, I'm always shoot right down the middle, whether wrong or right. I'm not gonna cover for him. But and me just say this because we spoke about 2 or 3 days ago. Today Wednesday. No, the last time we talked on Saturday. Because him asked me, I say, I don't know why him asked me, but because him dad said, me, remember, when even with your trip for come here, you know, I spoke to him about it. And I said to him, say, yo, she have to apply online, you know, because you can't just come in at the island and do nothing at all. And then them whole quarantine protocols and everything, and we talk about that. But
yeah, me get that, because him did tell me,
bad vibe, nothing.
Him did tell me, saying they talk to you, that tell him about the situation. Yeah, but what me I say is that when I walk in at the house, right, in come off at the phone same time, and me I say to him, say, who you that talk to? And I say, Chris, me that talk to him, they that drive home or something. I say, Chris, you talk to, so, oh, Chris just come off at phone to as me coming at the house. Usually, I'm Chris, I walk in at the house and down about my business.
Which I wish they
about 20 minutes ago.
Today?
Yes.
Oh,
So me and him in an
yeah.
argument. Me I said to him say, why would you just come off of the phone just like that? He must say you did a drive and whatever. So you know, enough to end the conversation. So me I said that's strange because when you and Chris at time I come in at the house, well, if a time and you continue to talk to Chris and I go about my business. So why all of a sudden today you choose to come off of the phone so quickly? So me kind of find that suspicious. You know me I say. So are you him did I talk to? About 20 minutes ago?
No.
Okay. Alright. Because he must take me for idiot. I tell you, listen man, I'm not idiot in a man. I know when something not right. Why would he even lie to me and say, are you in the phone with? That don't even make no sense. Like, this just got me messed up right now. Like, seriously?
Yeah.
Like, yo.
Yeah, no, but I'm not gonna lie to you like that.
John Star.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gone, buddy, because you.
And then in drive gone on the road now?
What you say? You need to call it. Chris.
Yeah, that madam, I could do that, so I ask if him gone on the road now, yeah.
No, I'm upstairs. I come downstairs because I say no, I have to call him because I don't feel good about it. I get a vibe, you see me? I don't feel good about it, Star. I feel like say, you know, at this stage in our relationship, I'm not supposed to have them feeling here. You know me I say? So you need to call him and have a talk with him, yo, because I not depend this. I don't have time for this. I'm too grown. I don't have time for this foolishness.
Yeah, I call him.
All right, then.
I call him. Know yourself.
All right, now watch no face. All right, respect.
All right, okay.
Yeah.
That's an epic feel.
What? Oh, that's an epic feel.
You have to tell the man first, you make him confess. Him now come back and say me. Him tell me say last time I talked to him I sat there.
No, but me asking about today.
Yes,
that's
but
an epic feel because remember saying
only the man tell you.
You wanted to have a conversation. It was a good conversation. There wasn't a negative
vibe. No,
vibe.
but you tell the man tell us the last time he talked to me I sat there. So no him now come and tell me say no. That's gonna make him look dumb. Alright guys, so I'm gonna call one of my other brethren. Him name Alric, okay?
Look, must I say, I'm so surprised when when you hear me. Come on, Alric. Come on.
Yo.
Alric.
Yeah?
Well, go on. Taya there. What's up? Latoya.
Latoya?
Yeah.
Well, go on.
You busy? You busy? You can talk for a second?
Yeah.
Alright, so I just come in at the house a while ago and Ian hang up the phone real quick, right? And then I ask him who I talk to, and him say you did I talk to, and then him run going at the shower. So I take up the phone now and say me call you to see if I really you him did I talk to.
Oh, Ian.
Yeah, you did I talk to him not too long?
Yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah, man, I talk to you, man.
Because I come from Jamaica and him just act a little shady. So I say, why would I hang up the phone though? Like usually if I come in at the house and I talk to them bridging then him not hang up the phone same time.
In the bar a while ago, I drink something, so I deny it. I call him back.
Alright, thanks, here?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. What a liar.
Exactly. That's what I talk about. Yeah, I'm sure that's the thing, you know what I mean? Boss, I'm not. Right away, I say, yeah.
Alric lies, man. And if you see Alric, I say he looks so innocent.
Boss, innocent. Alric, general. Next person.
No, sir.
You see what going on?
What a man lie.
And you say if you do Chris, him would have get catched. You think so right on the spot the same I'm going to tell you? But actually you make him running with film thing. Him not. Any of the do Chris.
No, Chris a good youth. Chris a good youth.
No, honey.
Chris a good youth.
Alright.
Cause Chris a make me know from me just call him say one thing him now go do him now go tell no lie for nobody and ray. Chris a good youth. Alric, you liar.
It can't see me. Hey guys, Alrica call me back, so I'm going to see what Alrica deal with, okay? Oh, no, a lot of time. Yo, what going, brother?
What going?
Me there, man, what you deal with?
I'm there, man. I tell you, I come back a while ago. You come, man. I mean that.
You tell me to call you back a while ago?
Yeah, man.
So I just call you back?
Yeah, I mean that talk.
Ali, get drunk?
No, I got him. We are joke, man.
Oh, we are say. You said me to call you back, so I call you back now, man.
No, we got drink something with that call first time, man.
Let me that call the first time.
Mm.
Oh, me understand what you say, man. For real, man. Yeah, that's why a good thing you tell me to call you back, star. You see me? So everything good?
Yeah, man.
Straight. Yeah, man. Me just come out of the shower, star, and me see the missed call, so me call you back. Actually, me that call and you say you're busy, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Straight. So everything good, though?
Yeah, man. That's all right. I'm a driver. I'm a still.
Eh?
Mm.
Straight. And me and wife there, I will have meds, man, but she does have move vexy, you know what I mean?
If you call me back a while ago, I said, boy, me frightened when she call me, think I hear that call me back. Me hear that talk.
Eh, she called you a while ago?
Yeah, but I think she have me that call. I think she don't get that call me back. I tell her, say, me hear that talk.
Eh, John, no. I should have believed that you mean that talk, you know, brother.
That's what she stay, man.
John,
So
no,
ladies,
sir.
female stay now.
So, are we tell her, sir?
I'm tell her, sir. I'm tell her short, man.
Okay, real
Yeah,
talk.
link, man. I mean that buy a juice, so I could get the link, yeah.
You're my boss, but you know you're my general, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, now what the face do? May we link up, see?
Alright.
Alright, my brother, bless it. I'll be bothering me to write it. I'll be coming back for confirm, so me and him do that talk. Boss, I deal with the thing cross.
Can't trust them. Afraid of you already. From today, me afraid of you. Me know who for call from who not for call. Chris, you're my dog.
I true you not catch him good. That me I tell
Chris,
you.
you're my
I
dog.
true you not catch him good.
Alric?
Yo.
No, cause Chris did already in
Me
her first
sorry,
part
sir.
when she say, oh, my son.
Me sorry,
him
sir.
say, no, Lati, me nah try for whatever,
Honey.
whatever. Chris, I'm
Can you go there?
That's my bro. Alric, man. Victor. I me go call my brother. Let me call my brother. Call my brother, let me see.
Yo, no, what happened?
Let me see what for me own brother. I go do.
No, this with him.
Probably at work still. You see no answer so much time. Probably at work. Alright. Alright, Jay, why you call back? Hello?
Yo, my general.
No, on a general this, I tell you, the queen this.
What?
Wagwan.
What the puppy?
Well, real quick, me have a question real quick. Me just walking at the house, and as me walking at the house, so him hang up the phone. So me said to him, say, babes, who you da talk to? Why you hang up the phone so quick? Him say, oh, Jay, why me da talk to man? Him da get ready to go up on a live. So him da have to hang up the phone with you.
That's why me asked her, because me am just a chat a while ago.
Wow, really? But usually him no come off of the phone. Usually him no come off of the phone when me I talk to him. So while for son today, so he decide to come off of the phone.
Look, you know, remember I said I go live to play some music, you know. Because me I said to him, say, yo, me I want one vlog me I do for when because time a kill me, yo. January. You understand? Time a kill me, so me hardly a keep up. So me I tell him, say, because me I'm not even done chatting, you know. Because him do the channel thing there for me, what you call it, the overlayer, and him send one, but he miss out because he come like he went tired. He miss out the thank you and just only send the support, the support. You understand?
Wow.
Yeah. Well, me can't say wow. Oh come on.
Me no know because from I come from Jamaica, I'm just act shady. Me no know, me no understand. You know, so me say you just come off of the phone just like that.
Me a big man, you know, me a big man, you know, man. Me a almost 40, you know. I'm Poppy a big man, and thing, man. Come on, no, me wouldn't tell such a lie. No, man. No, man. Come on, man. We know that there's a lot going on. We don't want them vibes here, man. Go on. Talk to me.
Well, me don't know what one. Me don't know what one.
Oh, no, go on, Taya. No, Taya. Come on.
I'm going to put you on video. Let's switch you on video real quick. Turn on your video.
Oh, Frank.
JY, you're lying.
Me love you. Me love you, man. Me love you. Me say me love you. Yo. Me say, brother, me can't hold it.
Jesus, I'm afraid of you.
Me head hurt me.
I'm afraid of you. I'm afraid of you, JY. I'm afraid of you.
Me are dead over here, brother. JY.
Son, I want an epic.
Me say, brother. Me say, life. You're my boss, no, sir?
Turn around. Jesus, Savior, yo.
Mr. J.Y. Yo, Mr. Brother. The boss of me left out all the thank you for the oval. Yo. Yo, respect my boss. Back up on the next one, okay? We love you, man. We love you.
All right, bro. I see where you at. I see where your loyalty lies.
J.Y. tell us we are 40, no, man.
Man say me a 40, no, man. I ain't a big man too, you know, man.
All right, my brother. Blessings. All right.
Yo, me say, Jesus, my ears run.
You see what me talk about? You see, if you did,
No,
if you do it that way,
the
never
man
kiss.
say yes, man.
Yo.
Because to me, I go go on live, I go play some music. JY, trust me, you need deliverance. True lie, man. Jesus,
Woo! Me say me couldn't help, me couldn't contain myself. Me say what you cut. Miss me, I dead over here.
oh my gosh.
Me I dead over here. No, sir.
Yo, JY know if you lie, them down there, master of lying.
My head a hurt me. My head a hurt me. Me say my head a hurt me.
JY, I love you, but I'm afraid of you. I'm afraid of you.
God.
I'm afraid of you, JY.
I want the heart.
All right, people, so we're going to call my brother. Call back my brother.
I call Lati brother.
And let's see which part disloyalty lies.
Them rate the general.
Straight this one in.
Poppy the whole of them, I say.
Hello?
Brother Vic, and me, Taya. Wagwan. Hey, me have a quick question. Me have a quick question for ask you real quick, cause he and upstairs a bed. So I walk in at the house a while ago, and him did up on a phone call, right? And him say, him hang up the phone same time when him see me open the door. So I say, so you hang up the phone so quick for who you da talk to? Him say, a brother Vic him da talk to. I say, you da talk to Victor a while ago? Him say yes. So me say, so why you come off your phone as soon as me come in at the house? That make no sense, cause him never used to do that before. You know what I say? So him gone up in the bathroom, gone bed or whatever. So I say, me call her real quick for confirm if I did really you him did I talk to. But did you talk to him? Him did I say he was talking to you? You did I talk to him or he just call you and you never get through? Him did I talk to you?
You don't get through full 100 because when I reason like, you know, to your Wi-Fi that get problem.
Yeah, but when I say full 100, me want to know if you did a cause him did dep on the phone, having a conversation. So me really need to know if him did a talk to you or not. Eh?
You don't talk about you not have a long conversation. You don't talk about you not have a long conversation because you don't now.
You're sure?
Yeah.
All right then. Well, Hey, Victor, you're not easy, you know, man. I got this one, you know. You know, so I got this one.
Victor, me love you, my boss. Me love you. 2 guineas for your weekend. Now that me tell you, I'm a general. A prank, brother, a prank.
Victor, me and your sister, you're my brother. And you run to me say you pick up for your brother-in-law. Eh?
2 guineas, me say. What else? What else? What else?
Boy, oh boy. I'm somebody I swear for you. And I'm say, no, my brother, I got defend me.
I'm a boss. So you talk about your brother. I'm a general. Victor, what you talk about? Talk to her, my G. Talk to her.
Wow. No, sir.
Victor, tell us about paper you are name. Tell us you're my boss.
Hey, yo, you told me for the thing, all thing I go, and I say, yo, what is your number?
You say, by any means, you just want peace. Not true.
Eh?
You say by any means, you just don't want a problem, so you rather just pick up themes and no problem, no dede.
No, man, we don't want a problem. No, man, no, sis, no problem, sis.
Oh.
A real talk, man. A real talk, man. Watch your face, man. A prank you, man.
Me understand that still and respect that still, but me kind of feel like you're supposed to have my back still. But
the boss, them no want a problem. Just work with the program.
oh my God. Oh, it's all good, bro. But thanks, though. I love you.
Big up yourself, my boss. All right, blessings. Yeah.
All right, later.
So, guys, we're gonna move on to one of my other friends. His name is Dean.
Well, go on, brother.
Hey, Dean. I'm me, man, Taya.
Oh, well, go on, Taya.
I tried to call you earlier, but then I get through to you. But me have something to ask you real quick. I know it's late now still, but earlier when I call you, I just come downstairs, and when I come downstairs, I say he ended up on the phone, and I come off of the phone real quick. So I say that kind of strange, because usually he might talk to somebody and I walk in, him continue to talk. So me did I ask him, say, who did I talk to? And him I say, are you and him did a whole of reasoning? So me say, then why you and Dean just come off my phone as soon as me come downstairs? That don't make no sense. You know what I say? So I made a call earlier for you confirm to tell me if I really you him did I talk to earlier.
Yeah, man, I mean, I talk about him, tell me saying there is something on the computer. So him say, I try to call him back later. So when me come, because me put my phone for charge after me come up for the phone with them and go around the road. So me come back now, my sister like him did I call me.
So you did I talk to him?
But him tell me say, he might deal with something, so he might call me back.
Oh. Alright then. Well, me just a check for make sure. Alright then, look more, no say nothing.
Alright, cool.
Alright. Oh wow. So you done do something on the computer. Alright, Dean, I hear you. I hear you, bro.
I want to. Dog them out for the general.
You have $7.37. Please enter the number you wish to call or press the star key.
Alright, we are called Boba, you know, Ian's cousin. Me already don't know all
You
that
have
about
37 minutes.
but him rate me still. Well, let's see.
Jenna.
I'm me, man, I'm me, Taya, wagwan.
Hey, what going on?
But there, I have a quick question for ask you, yeah? Yeah, listen? Me have something for ask you real quick.
Hold on, I'm almost charged the phone call. Hold on, I'm about your bed. Alright, yeah. Alright, ready now.
Can't turn on the TV, it's too noisy, your background noisy.
Oh, sure, I like that. Alright.
Yeah.
Jenna.
Yeah, sorry for your call so late, but you don't want to see me come downstairs, right? I come downstairs and I see Ian on the phone. So as soon as him see me, him come off of the phone real quick. So me I say, so you come off of the phone for? Who you there talk to? Why you come off of the phone so quick? I say, Bobo, me that talk to, man. You hear me?
Okay. Yeah.
So me I say, then why you come off the phone so quick for with Bobo? You know usually do that. So me I call for confirm if I really you him did I talk to.
Okay. Yo, what the fuck?
Eh?
You serious? What do you not do that? Cause you know the general. You know what I'm saying? Even though you wouldn't doubt him. When him say that, I'm not that.
Me not understand that no, but me want to know if I you him did I talk to because him say you him did I talk to. So me want to hear from you.
You know what? If him say me, I must be my dog. Me not doubt me that.
So what is man? Bobo.
I'm a general man.
So why would I come off of the phone with you? Why would I come off of the phone?
I mean, I know for one of these things, I know that they're fact. If him come out for the phone with him, for a reason. I'm not lying, I know say the boss now try this, so if you come out with the phone, isn't that you not talk to me, I don't know, but let's see. The boss said I try this, I must be a reason, a good reason, not bad, because that's all me on good.
I understand that, but me I say about why would I come off of the phone so quick though?
Must be a good reason, that's all I'm getting. Not bad, coming out to that general. You are that for real. Yeah, good reason, man. Don't worry about it, man. I'm chatting.
Baba, a prank, yeah, my boss. A prank, yeah, man. Yeah, I'm a real boss, man. You see me, I say?
Why, why, Baba, you're not easy, you know? Or anything where man said. That don't make no sense.
Listen, Baba, from a meeting and that a cert go. Alright, Baba, alright. Real talk. You see me, I say? Alright. Probably it's a surprise, you know what I mean? Exactly.
You go on, man. You go on.
Alright. Yo, big up yourself, sin? Alright, my boss. Bless you.
Alright,
Yeah.
look more. Yeah, man. Alright, so. Bless up. Oh, guys. Well, there you have it.
Real thing.
Dogs
Boss.
them out.
Boss them out for them boss, you know what I mean? Real boss them. She can't check me. How you feel?
I just know I can't trust none of them. That's all it is.
But the man tell you well, the man
Well,
tell
luckily
you,
you're not
from
that kind
Poppy,
still,
I
so I
said
really have
that.
to stress
I
myself.
saw it go. She have a question the thing, you know what I mean?
Man, them know say I deal with the thing the real way.
Wow. And you not rate your husband.
What?
You rate your husband, so you have to call the man. Let me tell you that you just work with the program.
No, but I mean, you never know still, you know?
She not rate me.
Then look at my brother. He must say, even though him knows say nothing go so, but him just work with it just because him no want no war or whatever.
Because him
between
knows
us.
I not do nothing. I say, I call him. But guys, let us know in the comment section what you think, right? You're supposed to love that one. Yeah. That one is bad for real. You understand? And remember to subscribe to Poppy Show if you're new. If you've not been subscribed to Poppy Show, big up on yourself. Like the video, leave a whole heap of comments, enough comments. Every part of the video you watch and leave a comment.
Yeah, and
share,
don't skip the ads. Please.
yeah, man, share it with a friend them and watch out the ad them for real. Watch out the ad them, okay? Remember, Poppy love you, no? Taya love you too. Big up on yourself, alright? Bless.
Peace.